I'm driving a mower for my job, okay? I can run over a black cat any day of the week. Hey, what's up, you guys? What's going on? Al with Al's Lawn Care. And you know what? Somebody once told me that interesting angles make for better videos. So we're gonna try this out for the rest of the video and see what you guys think. This is a different angle for sure. I mean, I'm sure you'll appreciate it, right? Right? It's been a busy week, mainly due to the rain we've been getting. I know you Midwest guys have been getting a lot of rain the last little bit, and it's moved over here to Maryland. And so the first part of the week, just full-on rainstorms. I think we got 2 inches of rain the one day, like just a lot of rain. And as you know, that can make it a little bit difficult to get any real work done. So towards the end of the week, we've been playing catch up, just kind of fighting with the rain here and there, and trying to get things done. Heading out to do some more mowing, obviously. And a black cat just ran across the road in front of me, so I should probably just turn around and go home. But you know what? We're gonna fight the superstition, and we're gonna try and get stuff done anyways. I'm driving a mower for my job, okay? I can run over a black cat any day of the week, although it would be a mess. I prefer not to. But if the black cat is gonna come out and test me. So you know how like 10 seconds ago, I threatened to run over a black cat? And, you know, basically said superstitions aren't going to do anything to me. Well, while I was saying that, I drove completely past my turn. So, I'm sorry, black cats. I didn't mean anything. Boom. Here we are at the first job. This is a new one for this year. It's a pretty fancy place, lakefront. And so I'm not going to do too much recording on the property. I know there's plenty of security cameras around. Not that I'm doing anything wrong or whatever. It just might look suspicious if the lawn guy is walking around with a camera. So probably not going to do much recording here. But anyway. So I'm here mowing and I get a call. So I stop the mower and I'm talking on the phone and I start smelling something like really hot. And I looked behind me and I'm on this strip of grass here. And I had the back of the mower back there, right where the exhaust was, and here there was a grass pushed up against the muffler while I was talking on the phone, and luckily it was just green grass and not that dry stuff, because it didn't actually catch, but there's a couple stalks of grass over there that have scorch marks on them, so it's good that it wasn't like the dry, dead stuff and everything's very wet. Because it's never fun to have a mower catch on fire. I feel like that was the black cat trying to get me, but we avoided it for now. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Well, boys and girls, we got this yard mowed up. The black cat didn't get us, at least not too bad. It is raining, and it was raining harder. Now it's just a light drizzle that is next to nothing, but it's enough to make the yard wet and a little bit clumpy. So it took longer to do than what it should have. I don't know if I showed you in the beginning or not, but the grass was pretty tall. Really tall actually. So that made it take longer, and then with the rain, slowed things down even more. And yeah, took longer than what it was supposed to, but it wasn't a full out rain. I didn't get soaked, so I'm happy about that. The black cat did not get me the whole way. I shouldn't have said that because I'm not home yet. We'll see what happens by the time we get back. Back there at that property that I just finished mowing, I noticed the neighbors had a statue of a cow in their alongside their driveway there, and I would have really liked to show it to you, but it was fenced in. It was on the neighbor's property. I wasn't going to go over there. But the reason I wanted to show it to you so badly, it moved me. Get it? That's a punt, because it was a cow. It moved me. You got it? Well, boys and girls, I guess that's going to do it for today's video. Not much got done. After I got back to the house, I mowed my own yard, or part of it rather, before the storm came. And yeah, surprise, surprise, more rain. Who'd have thunk? But anyways, thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.
Perfect.